Yo, I'm Mnemonic. It's time to Jambl. Where are my manners? Hi, welcome. For the first time or once again, I'm glad that you are here. I am having fun, making music, living life. Life is crazy enough, so why not have a little fun? You go up to play high, down to play low, right to play fast, left to play slow. That's like all you need to know. That is awesome. I feel that there's a great need to simplify things and then highlight and focus on the enjoyment of the music making process. Jambl is all about that. I like it. I like the colors. The colors help trigger the brain and make me feel like a kid again. That's why I wanted to show you Jambl. Not only because it's amazing, but the people behind it are also amazing and they believe music making should be fun. This by no means is going to be a tutorial. Jambl has already put out some amazing tutorials and they're seriously masterpieces. They're the most entertaining tutorials I've ever seen and also provide all the information you need to know how to use Jambl. And then aside from tutorials, if you just open Jambl and start pushing buttons and messing with things, you'll figure it out. It's super intuitive. Oh, before we get started, I originally downloaded Jambl on my Pixel, which is what I use. It's an Android phone, and I bought all the packs so it removed all the ads. But there's extra features on iOS to include the effects, which I'll show you here in a second. So I'll be using my old wife's, not my old wife, my wife's old iPhone to show you how to use it because it has those effects. And to me, that was like really important. So hopefully Jambl will update that to Android. This one's old, it's cracked. It doesn't matter. We're having fun making music. Let's get back into it. There's all kinds of packs that you can download, sorted by genre as well, which is cool. I want to chill out. I'm a little excited, so I'll just stay cool. Smoky lounge. I like that. Let's check it out. One thing I like to do just to get the tempo of the track is hold down like the hi-hat sound, and that will give me a metronome basically, and then I'll add kick, snare, all that good stuff. Add some bass. Blam. Add some chords as well. Now to get out of the loop and then just play some melody, I like to disable the loop and turn that off and then just play with the melody and have some fun and figure something out. Let me show you the effects. This is why I'm using my iPhone instead of my Android phone. Come on, Jambl. Hook up those Android users with some effects. There are 4 of them. There's like a grain delay thing going on over here. There's a filter. And then there's basically a flanger on this side. You get some cool chorusy flanger type effect sounds. Like I said in the beginning, not trying to get too technical, just having fun. And there's colors and there's shapes, and as you move them, they like transform, which is a really cool visual feedback. It's actually very satisfying to see how it changes when you move it. Yeah, it's just good. It's good stuff. Very well built. You can change the tempo really easy. Let's slow it down just a little bit. Then over on the mixer, I'm just gonna turn the chords down a little bit. Lastly, you can add video. I'm gonna try that right now. In the words of the mastermind behind Jambl, let's Jambleize it. Not awkward at all. That made me look really cool. Sweet. Okay, I'm having fun now. Let's do one a little bit faster from the Lovebird pack, because that sounds cool. Okay, I'm gonna keep rocking. If you wanna watch more videos, here is a playlist that I like to call my personal favorites, and here's some other fun music making one that the YouTube algorithm thinks you'll like. Anyway, Jambl, thank you for sponsoring this video. I will see you later, y'all.